Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using flour. To begin, understanding the fundamental role of flour in thickening is key to creating delicious, smooth sauces every time. We will focus on the classic method, which involves combining flour with a fat, like butter, to form a roux. This essential first step is crucial for developing flavor and ensuring a perfectly smooth, lump-free sauce. It truly is the foundational technique for many beloved culinary creations. The roux is the heart of your flour-based sauce. To make it, you will combine equal parts fat and flour. For example, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 3 minutes, stirring continuously. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and creates a stable base for your liquid, ensuring a smooth and flavorful result. Once your roux is ready, it is time to add the liquid. The key here is to add cold liquid, like 2 cups of milk or broth, to your hot roux very gradually while whisking continuously. This temperature difference helps prevent lumps. Keep whisking over medium heat. As the sauce heats, it will begin to thicken. Continue cooking until it reaches your preferred consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. With your sauce thickened, the final step is to season it perfectly. Taste your sauce and add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices. A pinch of nutmeg or a dash of hot sauce can elevate the flavor profile. Stir well to combine all the seasonings. Your delicious, homemade flour-based sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm over your favorite dishes, like pasta, vegetables, or roasted meats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.